Grand Cayman Island is at the heart of the Cayman Islands' renowned dive culture, and Sunset House, a resort designed for divers by divers, has been its dive headquarters for more than 50 years. Here are the top 3 reasons the iconic Sunset House is the place to spend your next visit to Dive Paradise. Number 1. Shore diving. Within minutes of checking in, you can be enjoying Sunset House's famous House Reef. Gear up with Sunset Divers and enter the water just a few steps from the freshwater pool. Highlights include a photogenic mermaid, unlimited access to reefs and wrecks, and all the beautiful sea life the Caribbean has to offer. If you want to shore dive at night, just check out a tank before the award-winning Sunset Divers closes. Grand Cayman is also home to Stingray City, a legendary shallow water dive that's a can't-miss bucket list experience. Morning dives, afternoon dives, or night dives with easy shoreline access, all are available at Sunset House. Number 2. Wreck diving. 80-degree waters and 100-foot-plus visibility make exploring Grand Cayman's historic wrecks a thrill for even the most experienced diver. Just offshore is the LCM David Nicholson, an old naval landing craft named after Sunset House's first dive master. Built in 1945, the Kittiwake is a 251-foot, 5-deck submarine rescue ship that rests in 60 feet of water and is accessible year-round. If 6 or more divers sign up, a night dive is available at the Kittiwake or any site from one of Sunset Divers' custom-built, state-of-the-art dive boats. Number 3. Topside. When you're not enjoying the underwater delights of this dive paradise, relax in Sunset House's comfortable and modern accommodations. Take a soothing dip in the pool and enjoy the sounds of its cascading waterfall and offshore Caribbean breezes. Sea Harvest is your headquarters for the best in island cuisine and exotic tropical libations. My Bar is an exuberant happy hour haven where you can regale your fellow divers with the day's exciting dive tales and enjoy meeting friendly locals in one of the best bars in the Caribbean. The beautiful 7 Mile Beach, shopping delights of Georgetown, and extensive topside water sports offer unlimited entertainment while you wait for your next dive. For more information about the best of the Cayman Islands dive culture, resort amenities, and booking the dive vacation of a lifetime, visit sunsethouse.com.